Hi, 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 test, 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 hi, 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 test, test, test. Okay, it works. We're gonna play a bit of this game first, because I want to grind some rank, at least get to gold 2, maybe? And then we'll play a, Monster Hunter. I might play Wilds, because there's a new update tomorrow. It's tomorrow, right? I don't remember the date. Oh, okay.
Another chest to train. Good. We don't want to get rusty.
Here's hoping neither of us get the hiccups during this bonanza.
You and me, friend.
This is your champion. I'm Jump Master?
Do we have anything? Only that. Okay.
Blancas are quick, so you gotta shoot quicker. Let's show you. Next ring ain't close. Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit. Pipe down, Susie. A minute's ticking. If we aiming to live, then best not foul it up, eh? Attention. First blood.
Oh, I have a ring console. Okay.
It's on. First blood.
White bar. There is not much time left. Optics here. Close range.
Leader appointed.
Watch out for the new kill leader, friend.
Draft Point or Shipyard Arcade?
Got a
Draft Point by that. Okay.
That was more skillful than I expected.
Evo harvesters are now available.
Neat.
In progress.
We're all outside the ring and it's moving. This is madness. Chill, mates. Just crafting.
Hello. Squishy Asti, you're canonically first.
Here. Level 2.
Shield battery here.
Care package.
Well played. Care package incoming.
An excellent selection.
No
Evil
worries.
harvester
You
here.
just owe me one.
Care package over there. Care package over there.
located and ready to take them for a thank you.
This will suffice.
Nothing interesting, okay. That was a car. Why didn't I grab it? I don't know. They're over there. On the other side, maybe?
Survey beacon here. Using grapple.
Huh.
Setting up a zipline.
Enemy in the distance.
They are climb.
I am taking fire, friends. Giving my shield.
Getting shot at.
Nemesis here.
Giving my shields a getting attacked by another squad.
Grenade. I am repairing myself.
I'm cover for you, mate. Reloading. Taking damage. My arm cover's destroyed.
You protected your squad well. Perhaps you have some use after all.
Making contact with enemy.
Agreed.
Reloading. I am taking fire, friends.
Some blockers shooting at me.
Here I go. Giving my shields a recharge.
Tossing Oxstar. Reloading.
Okay, where should we go?
Hostile over there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fire. Reloading.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
That was more skillful than I expected. The next ring's far. Do not get caught outside of it.
Attention.
Enemy over there. They're dropping a replicator.
Fire's on you. I'm out to the next ring on your map.
The enemies are shooting at me. Reloading. Giving my shields a recharge. Who's ready to fly on?
Damaged one. Reloading.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Watch out for the new kill leader, friend. Enemy spotted.
Yep. Shooting some blockers.
Reloading. Took out.
Enemy's shield broke.
1 minute. The ring is far.
Throwing thermite. Tossing Oxstar. Ring closes in 45. It's a
Finding them. Releasing an arc star.
Cracked an enemy. Enemy spotted. Enemy taken down.
reloading. Reloading.
I need more ammo.
That's great. Reloading.
We routed that squad.
squads are left.
In progress.
I can see that the ring's moving on the map. Enemy over there.
Energy magazine here. Level 2.
Reloading.
Care package being delivered.
Either a care package is coming in or this guy's just happy to see me.
Care package over there.
Okay, let's grab one of them or both of them might get purple.
An
Thank you.
acceptable selection.
Reloading. Target over there.
Good.
The enemies are shooting at me. Here I go. Recharging shields.
Enemy in the distance.
I'm snared. Giving my shield a recharge. Yeah.
Get ready. It's one time.
Target spotted. Far.
The enemies are shooting at me. Reloading.
Tossing up some out cover. Drag out. Replicator dropping like it's hot. Getting attacked by another squad.
Move this way.
Giving my shield a avoid that area.
I am repairing myself. We should go this way.
We were getting charge rifles from the back. This is not great.
The enemies are shooting at me. Cracked an enemy shield.
Lead time fine. Reloading.
Reloading.
45 seconds.
I'm under fire.
Throwing thermite.
Shields are depleted. Recharging. Moving that way.
Getting shot at.
I need shields.
Reloading. Come on. Heal, heal, heal.
Charging my shield.
Only 30 seconds.
Thank you, Bang.
Clock. The ring's close. I have an evac tower, friend.
Shields are depleted.
Evac tower deploying. Nowhere. And everywhere.
Giving my shield a recharge. Healing up. Hold on, hold on. 10 seconds. Ring close. We got this.
Enemy spotted. More friends are coming to kill us. There's another squad. Opening fire on the enemy. Reloading. Giving my shields a recharge. Incoming care package. I love loot.
Taking fire.
Repairing.
Recharging shields.
Opening fire. Broke that enemy.
Oh my god. I'm not in the groove over yet.
I need shields.
Shield cell here.
Thanks.
Give me a sec.
The
Healing.
enemy is moving in.
Yes.
Throwing frag. Eliminate the enemy.
Enemy down. 1 minute. Rings close. Plenty of time. Giving my shield a recharge. Upgraded and ready to take them for a test drive.
Defend here.
Putting up some amp cover.
Med kitty. Shields
Cover for your mates.
Amp here. This one is required.
Oh, we are barely inside the. We are barely outside of it.
For our children.
Packing up my cover.
Cut outside the ring if we don't win.
I'm cover for your mates.
Sensors on this one.
Yeah, why not? Let's party.
Contact with hostile.
Shooting at me. Attacked an enemy's shield. Giving my shield a recharge.
Recharging shields.
I'm attacked by another squad.
Thermite out.
Charging my shield.
Oh my god.
I am repairing myself. I hear you. I'm coming.
Oh my god, I have so many meds on my desk. I don't know which one's empty, which one's full. We're dropping resort again. There's only one. So I can get a gun.
My mates and I are tipped off. Focus. Reckon we're ready for a bruising.
Win.
Introducing your champion.
It all ends the same way, with me observing.
I didn't know if I lost RP on that last match.
Attention, the champion has been eliminated.
Follow me to victory. Targeting that spot.
Flatline, I'll take it.
Rings close. Still have a minute. Want to make a massacre?
This weapon is enhanced.
45 seconds. Rings nearby.
I don't know why, but I feel so lost playing this map.
Ring's close. For 30 seconds. Let's turn it up. Right. Got a fix on the next ring. Check your map.
Extended energy magazine here. Level 3. We have 10 seconds. Move with purpose.
Evo harvesters are now available.
Hold your butts. Drafting.
Warning. Movement in progress.
They're all outside the ring and it's moving. This is madness.
Extra supplies here. Take 'em or don't. I don't care. Everyone wants a pat on the back.
First blood.
You can't escape.
First blood. Let us begin.
Care package out there.
A care package has touched down over there.
You can't escape.
I now have an enhanced weapon.
Fully enhanced killing machine. Huh. Feels like we're soulmates.
Alright, the bar.
You can't escape.
Enhanced
Target
weapon.
spotted.
Not
Far
bad
off.
work for a dope.
Shooting. Time to bind. Fire. Enemy shield cracked. Recharging shields.
Let's give the compliments.
Tossing a frag. An enemy's shield. Knock down one more.
Throwing frag. Frag out. Frag out. Throwing frag. Reality.
Needed it better than ever. Reloading. Kill the plonker.
Next time, give me the kill. You can't escape.
Okay. Oh shit.
Another squad.
We're gonna send a second squad on us.
I'm under fire.
Charging my shields.
Not so fast. Time to bind you.
Batty, batty.
Enemy there. Recharging shields.
Taking fire. Born in the shadows.
This will bind them.
Enemy's shield.
Reloading.
We lost one. Just us now, mate.
I'm under fire. I shattered an enemy's shield.
Throwing thermite.
Shields are depleted. Recharging.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Reloading.
Cracked an enemy's shield. Oi, firing. Took down an enemy.
I've secured the banner. They get a second chance. Calling down a respawn beacon.
Fool spotted. Putting up some amped cover.
Yes.
Cover's getting backed up.
Let's put you in a bind.
If you're wondering about an afterlife, whatever.
Wahoo! Shooting some plonkers.
Okay.
Under fire.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Recharging shield.
That's class.
Attention. Delivering replicator.
Replicator. They will be bound. We'll be well positioned there.
Up my cover.
Tearing away.
Getting attacked by another squad.
I'm under fire.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Recharging.
Enemies.
We're close to the ring.
Oh. Hi, Leon.
Got me a new upgrade. Can't wait.
That got me. I thought I cracked another one.
My hand.
45 seconds and it's
Up my cover.
caught like a rat in a trap.
Amped cover for you, mates.
I covered an enemy shield.
30 seconds before the ring closes. Use it well.
These ties bind.
Reloading.
How are you? How are you?
10 seconds. Target there.
You can't escape.
Let's go here, mates.
Agreed.
Someone's out there. Opening fire. Reloading.
We're all outside the ring and it's moving. This is madness.
Contact. Over there.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Standing by for care package.
Ah, thanks, Yar.
I need another butcher. Oh, there's.
Package has touched down over
Okay.
there.
Chappa chappa doo 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 doo. Oh, pretty good. Pretty good. Just a bit cold. It's been raining all day.
You can't escape.
Target acquired here.
Got some extra supplies here. Load up.
They will be bound.
Broken enemy shield. Whole squad's taking a dirt nap.
Your skills seem to be improving.
Recharging shield.
Beginning ring
Healing. Got some extra supplies here. Load up.
There's one, mates. They got me. There's a
This fight isn't over. Get up.
Kill the skin suit. Ring's close. Still have a minute. Wanna make it faster?
Not so fast. I'm under fire.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Focus. Do not
Oh my
let
god.
this again.
That was bad.
We have
Give me a sec. Healing.
shields are depleted. Recharging.
Why didn't he heal me?
We have 10 seconds. Move with purpose.
Speed 120 minutes. Charging my shields.
Standing by for care package.
Meet me here.
Ah, dope.
I'm under fire. Not so fast. Time to bind.
Tossing a frag.
Throwing frag.
Airstrike coming.
They're ready. The squad is on us.
An enemy shield.
I'm under fire.
Shields are depleted.
Recharging. Shooting. Target spotted. Far. These ties bind.
They're dropping a replicator on us if you care.
Repairing damages.
Recharging shields.
Cracked an enemy's shield.
Nearby. Still have plenty of time for some fun.
Down an enemy.
Spotting target here.
Getting attacked by another squad.
I cracked the skin search shield. Getting shot. Someone's gonna death wish.
Enemy shield cracked.
Nice.
Down an enemy.
Killed one. Recharging shields. I'm the new kill leader. Want you to see how it's done. 30 seconds. You can't escape.
Care package there. You've killed many. You're stronger than I assumed.
I am just here for the ride.
That one's down. Last one's finished. They're all dead now.
Heads up, mates. Another squad coming.
Enemy set location.
Charging my shields.
Opening fire. Recharging shields. We're in the ring, which means they're coming to us. Shield battery here.
And cover for your mates. Enemy OD.
Good.
Okay. I need a new bow check. I can't.
Cracked an enemy's shield.
Spotted a target over there.
Yes.
Bound by my hand. God, like a rat in a trap.
Over there.
And cover for your mates.
1 minute. We have time to strategize.
Fire.
Cover's getting backed up.
Reloading.
I need a different gun.
These bonds aren't easily broken.
The top 5. Who would have thought it?
45 seconds. Ring ain't far at all. And cover for your mates. Get my cover out of here.
They will be bound. Another squad is on us. Shields are depleted. Recharging. Shooting. Reloading.
Someone's shooting at me. Giving my Ring's closing in 45.
Okay, let's just chill here, I guess.
Caught with no way out.
That one's down. Everyone wants a pat on the back.
Caught with no way out. Enemy close.
Giving my shields a recharge. Healing up. Hold on.
That's the final ring. Closing in.
Attacking damn skin suits. Shields are low. Recharging them.
Enemy's shield broken.
They will be bound. Shields are depleted. Recharging.
Charging my shields.
Shield.
You can't escape.
Reloading. Charging my shields.
Throwing fast. Arc star out.
Charging my shields.
Thermite out. Timer fire. Caught with no way out.
Give me a sec. Healing. You good? Up and at 'em. There's one.
Let's put you in a bind. Heal, heal, heal. Enemy shield.
Aw, GG.
Did you see how great I was? I did all kinds
We have our Apex champion.
Oh, sorry about that. I bonked my mic. Okay, settlement. There's that, so I'll take it. As someone who uses the Senti a lot, the Senti right now is in a weird spot. It's not great compared, well, it's not good compared to all the other snipers. It's just weird. It's just in a weird spot.
Leftovers from Witt's fridge. Made them. Tip top.
This is your champion.
I'd watch out for my squad if I were you. Right, I'm the governor. I'd cause some mischief.
Stay on me.
Sniper
On
asshole
the
here.
jump master.
Hit a bloke in the north and south before he knows where you're shooting from. The jets, we're dropping hot.
It's a charge rifle caustic, isn't it?
Beginning ring countdown.
Yeah, it is a charge rifle caustic.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
This enhanced weapon will yield superior results.
Yo, could use optics for a marksman.
First blood. Gotta be some optics here. Close range. Always better than iron
I'll take
sights.
it, mate.
Evo harvesters are now available.
Ah, thanks, yeah.
Warning. Improvement in progress.
Okay, there we go.
Now, don't mention.
Good. Inside the next ring.
I want to scan it, but I don't know if anyone's there.
Don't mention it.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Those care packages likely shift the delta in our favor.
Oh, it's minus 38 now? I didn't realize that it's minus 38.
Extended energy mag located over here. Level 1.
I need a backpack. I just realized I don't have a backpack.
Nice. Weapons looking fine. Laser sight here. Level 2.
Thanks.
I got you.
Another variable for the lab rats.
Feeling upgraded and ready to take on the world.
Nice.
I'll add it to your
Did
tab.
good there.
I need energy ammo.
Damn. I don't know what I wanna run with this. Do I run?
Mates, that's one sad enemy over there.
I need a backpack though.
I need a backpack.
Laser sight here. Level 2.
Ah, thanks, Yar.
Target spotted.
Understood.
Sure. Putting up some amped cover.
Firing. Reloading.
Putting up some amped cover.
Attention.
Need a lead. Oscar Mike. Spotted. Get my shield to recharge. Nice. Champions.
Getting shot at. I have shattered a subject's shield.
Wow. Blocked all that fire?
I need shields.
Reminds me of a guy I know.
Tossing a frag. Frag out.
Shields are recharging.
Give it in the chimney.
Trap set. Waiting. Shields are recharging. Spotted one.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Enemy spotted.
Okay.
Deploying a variable. Spotted one. A second squad is firing at us.
Round 2.
Giving him the chimney.
Shields are recharging.
Good work. Inside the next one. Let's displace there.
Some blonkers shooting at me.
Go this way.
Charging my shields.
Check out that area.
Got a replicator coming in, mates.
Up in the chimney.
I need shields.
Optics here. Close range. Always better. Shield cell here.
We're being attacked by 2 different squads.
Shield cell here.
Shield cell here.
Cracked an enemy's shield. Getting shot at.
I hate the charge rifle, dude. It's so dumb. Like, why are you able to just straight up pull auto it? It's beyond my comprehension.
Healing up. Hold on.
Recharging.
Down.
They have 2 charge rifles. I'm not gonna play this game for long.
Good enough to land cover.
Oh, pain.
Down.
Oh, dude, I didn't know I was in a caustic gas.
Fundamentally better. Sours the taste.
Ah, where is Watts? I'm just gonna fucking this dude. Okay, one sec. Private lobby, yes. Okay. So what do we need for the Piragil stuff?
How can I serve?
I need Piragil fins.
Safe wanderings.
Login bonus. Monster field guide, aquatic. Oh, it's those fish. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna do a side quest. Let me grab the code real quick. Copy to clipboard. Copy. Flash pin. Quest counter. I'm gonna do a side quest. That just... Have I not hunted a Piragil before? I don't think so.
See you again, Hunter.
Okay, so I might just... Oh, how many? 22 minutes. Yeah, I'm... Hunt a Lala or hunt a Laggy? Optional. What is Laggy? Just gonna hunt a Laggy, I think.
Quest accepted. I heard from the others.
Come on, loading. Ah, game. Did I alt tab? I alt tabbed. Whoops. Or just kill a Piragil real quick. There should be some Piragil over here, right? No, those aren't Piragils. Yeah, I'm gonna hunt some Piragils real quick while I'm here. So I was playing World earlier today, and oh my god. Having an Uber in this game is so good. Hello, Rafi. Coming through. Oh, that's a thorn. Excuse me, Mr. Laggy. I didn't dodge. Ouchies. One, two, one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, five. Oh, jeez. Ouch. I forgot that this game has like a latency compared to World. Therefore, let's go. I don't have the small dunk pods. Fuck. Oh my god. That was bad. One, two, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. Two, three, four.
Supply items have come in from the guild. Help yourself.
I didn't mean to do that. I pressed the wrong thing. Oh, come on, Puspa. Andrea, come on. This is way too close. Like, what is it? The camera. There we go. Oh my god, I don't remember the controls for this game. I only played like an hour of World. I'm just gonna capture it. I don't remember the controls. My world memory, muscle memory took over. That was bad. 18 minutes.
Come on over. How can I serve? Can I proceed? My hammer is yours any
Bravo. Beta.
How can I serve?
Yellow.
A sage show.
Watch this.
Lend me a Oh, good. Very good.
Alpha. The only green ones are the Vimp. Chatta Coil, Piragil, Graves, and what's the alpha one, not the beta one? Wooden work planes.
Yep. Whoa, Hunter! It suits you even better than I thought. Now, if you'll let me make just a cup perfect, let's round everybody up and show you off. Esteemed colleagues, one and all, the inaugural inter-unit Project Fashion Hunter Faith. First up from Turris, she was styled by Turris Units Inrai. Inrai says, I wanted to showcase her kindness, positivity, and grace. A new door really has opened.
Crisp and clean. I could never sell that sort of refinement.
Love that combination. Next up is Rosso, repping Rubrum Unit. He's dressed by Rubrum Unit's Melchior. Red is Rosso's soul. It would be criminal not to use it.
Oh, that's actually clean.
It's almost too perfect.
How powerful. Really accentuates his unique charm.
Looks like he was born to wear this. Coming up next, my very own ape coordinated by yours truly, Gemma. Feast your eyes on a hunter fit to pluck a wrath from the skies.
Gathering materials was a pain.
Hey, come on! I don't need to know that.
Hold up. This one's coming in hot.
Not bad at all, Hunter. A glimpse at an unexpected side of you.
Next is Astrum Unit's very own Olivia. Wearing gear picked by Werner. His statement. It's just her own beauty as is. Is that a problem?
Right. Here I am.
Werner. Anyway,
You're a wild one.
Ah, hey, thanks.
Whew, that was a blast, Hunter. A shame about the result, though. I never even thought to combine those pieces.
For what it's worth, I thought yours.
Yeah, I thought since getting here, the only thing on my mind, this little event brought me back to the old days, when I was just doing it for the thrill of creating. So I decided to just have fun with. This jacket's an important piece to me. We'll call it a prize for my winner.
Thank you.
Let's break more.
Okay, let's go back to my old.
Hello.
There we go. Okay. Okay, that looks nice.
Hello. Well, what can I do for you?
I need to eat. And is anyone offering free food? Nope. Arr. Windward Plains. Grand Hub. Ah. Is today's gonna be like a shorter stream than usual? Because I started late. It was raining like all day. Grill a meal.
Come on over. You have any requests? Should I begin?
Watch this.
Let me in.
Okay, so forge armor. I'll be real quick. I need to go to the toilet. I'm back. it fall? 23. Life powder, cool drinks. There we go. Optionals. Let's see what other optionals I haven't done. Oh, I haven't done this. Do I want to do a tempered gin? Or do I want to do a normal gin?
Make sure you're prepared. Okay, let's head out. We've received supplies. Let's be sure to use them.
Hello, good sir. Okay. One, two, four, four.
It appears the monster has left a piece behind.
Let me grab this. I forgot to bring bomb battles.
The monster dropped something.
New Udra and Ajara Counter 4. Let's go. Excuse me, coming through. Oh, no, I don't have a tent near there. Okay. There we go. Hi, Anja. Oh my god, one sec. Hi.
Hello there.
I don't know why. Oh, it's working. Hello. It's been a while since I've just. Oh, there we go. How are you? Why am I blanking on your name? Oh my god, I'm blanking on everyone's name. You're alright? I'm pretty good. I was on Apex for like 40 minutes and then Apex was not it, so Monster Hunter's the way to go. How was stream? How was stream? What you guys got up to? What else is better than Apex? Anyways, yeah. You guys were playing Night in the Woods. Ooh. Kato's Post Office and the Night in the Woods. I've heard about those games, but I've never actually played them. How are they? What is it? Kato's Post Office is super cute. Okay, okay. That sounds like a fun game. Don't need that. Don't need that. Because I like cute things. Being completely honest, I love cute things. Yes, I may dress in a in a techwear outfit for my day-to-day life, but cute things, man. I love cute things.
You have any requests?
I can make the entire set. I don't know what I want to do now, at least in this game. Because, what is it called? Yeah, I'm blanking.
My hammer is yours anytime.
Let's do some. I want to do the 80. I want to try the 80. It should be that, right? 80. This dude, Grey Dao. But I don't know if I'm actually like cut out for it. At least right now.
See you again, Hunter.
Thunderous. Sure, why not? Let's try it. You'll never know if you don't try. I'll probably die. Where is 80 Radal? Sep and prep. Let's see.
Quest accepted.
Items, item pouch. Let's just fuck around and find that. But let me introduce myself because I don't think I have introduced myself. My name's Andrea. Well, I'm a VTuber, like, no shit. But I usually in this game, well, any Monster Hunter game that's on PC and Apex. I know. Shooters to hunting monsters. Very different. You're better at introducing than I am? Nah. But I recently got back into streaming only this last week or so. I was so busy grinding IRL stuff, like my classes and all that stuff. It feels so good to be back streaming. It's actually fun. I forget like how much fun streaming is. Let's hope I don't die. Oh, it's 80 right now. Sorry about that. I was grounding stuff, sure. Yeah. I missed the timing. Oh, he hits like a truck. Bioban, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Yeah, he hits like a truck. Oh my god, that was it. You have to go, it's okay. You guys go rest up and do all the stuff that you need to do. Your post-stream care. I get that, because I also stream. Like, no shit. Oh my god. He hits like a truck. Another railgun? Jesus. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay. Have a good rest of your stream. I cannot trust. I have to work. Aww. Good luck with work. Hope it doesn't go horrible. Hoping work goes easy on you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Monkey D. Willie, thank you for the raid. Welcome in. Let me eat a sushi fish scale. Oh, a Monster Hunter addict. You guys were also playing Wilds. Oh my god! That almost killed me. Thank you, Burb. How was Wilds? How was Wilds? How was your stream? Thank you. And thank you for the follow. Besides the game crashing and a couple disconnect, lobby was a good? Nice. What about you? How are the hunts going? The hunts they're actually going pretty good. I was doing some optional hunts because I haven't played since before Title Update 1. So I needed to catch up on those. And now I'm trying my hand at 80 Ray now. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff to catch up to tomorrow after the update. But I can't wait for the update. Honestly, I've been enjoying this game a lot after being away from it. I'm gonna cut off your tail. Oi! Get down here. Thank you. Nice. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do the one on your back. Putting you down. Got all my 3 essence. There we go. I didn't see that. I didn't see that. Okay. There we go. Aita. No, 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 no. Thank you. Verb, I love you so much in this game. Come on. I missed. Burp, 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 burp. Please help. Okay.
The lightning has them amped up. You've been issued additional supplies.
Okay, I just need to get the final essence. Okay, I got it. Okay. Okay. That was way too close for comfort. I can't. I need to heal. Okay. Okay, let's make more potions. Oh my god, I missed the timing by a bit. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, I missed the timing again. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Nice, I broke the horn. Thank you, Kato. Yes, I named my sacred cat. My cat bird. Okay. Oh, wrong thing. Okay, I got the essence. Oh my god. First death. Bird, save me though. Bird. Okay. He is almost dead. I can see the skull. Excuse me. And word succulent. Have you respawned? Yes, you have. Let's go. That was a bit reckless. A bit is an understatement. That was just straight up reckless. First death. Like, actual death. Oh my god, that was... I shouldn't have focused strike there. But hey.
No need to rush things. Like they say, just stick to the basics.
I get to restock now. I don't mind dying, because it's my first time fighting AT Raida. I don't even know if I have my gear upgraded, level-wise. Excuse me, Mr. Raida. Oh, okay. I forgot to bring Mega Bomb battles. Man, that sucks. Okay. I want his tail.
Fine work, Hunter. Ready to head back?
Not bad for an 80 first try. I mean, probably could have done it faster, but I should probably also upgrade my gears. Because I think I still have everything either at level 1 or level 4. I don't think I have any fully upgraded gear yet. Which is not bad. Yeah, I died once, I'll take it.
Come on over.
There we go. I have 2 sushi fish scales left. I need more. Hello. Anyway. I just need this and then this. Okay. Golden frog, Goliath squid, Gilopod.
Yeah.
So I did this. Wait, that means I can make...
See you again, Hunter.
Well, I don't think I can make it just yet. That means I should unlock... I should have unlocked it, right? Yeah. Radao Gamma. Wax, maximum might and stamina surge. That's actually pretty good. Does it look like... Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. I just needed the horn. Wax, I don't really need. Resist, stun resistance. No, I don't think I need this. What's this? It's Counter-Strike, speedy recovery, and elemental absorption. Okay. Gore. Need Nick Gem. Oh my god, the Nick Gem is still like the hardest thing to get. Well, that or the horns. I don't like breaking the horns because they take forever. Yeah, this one's only level 3. Level 1, level 1, level 3.
Can I proceed? Can I proceed?
Okay.
Do you have any requests?
It's Arc of Vulcan, right? Yes. So it's up here somewhere. This is... Oh, I'm using this one, so... Oh, that'll give me maximum wax recovery speed and speed healing. Ooh. Counter Joe. Okay, never mind. I can change it. Protection Jewel, so I get maximum divine blessing. Cobbler, I can change it out for I'll keep it. And then upgrade that.
Can I proceed?
Okay. What time is it? Almost 8. Okay. I can do one more hunt and then I need to dip. Because, well, I did say it's gonna be a shorter stream.
Yeah.
Investigation. I need...
Of course. Come back anytime.
Oh, laggy. That sucks.
Yeah.
I'm not fighting a tempered Arcveld on the cliffs. That's asking for death. It's way too narrow. I need the charge. Something that's okay. Let's do this one. And if I finish pretty quickly, I'll do one more.
Quest accepted.
Lucky from Azus. I cancel quest real quick. We will be soon. Give me the free food. Come on, 100. I'm just gonna port to the Everforge. Hello.
What? All right. Sup? Ta-da!
That's a whole ass. Oh. Ooh. I'm hungry now. I would say I'm hungry, but I want food. The food in this game always looks so good.
Sure to come again.
Headache. Now let's do Mizu. Wait, did the lobby code disappear? I think it did. Huh. That's weird. Lego.
Feel free to use all the supplies. No reason to be frugal.
Bet I can set up camp there.
Oh, okay. Hi, Mizu. Yeah. Ouch. Okay. I haven't fought Mizu in a long time. Like the last time I fought Mizu was right after the title update. Or okay, there we go. Just get me up, and there we go. Grab that. Oh, he agitated now. That was bad. Oh, paralyzed. One, two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Yeah, I can do one more hunt. I can do one more hunt. Wait. One sec. Take it. Okay. One more. Let's see. Hi, Eric.
That's definitely my.
Okay, let's do this. Oh wait, I still have like... that I haven't done. Okay. Yeah, let's do the zoo. After this fun, we'll raid out to someone else. Do that? Do that. There we go. Is it the body? Or is it the base of the body? Okay, it's the base of the body. Okay. Get offset. Nice. Ouch. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. There we go.
Here's the monster has left a piece behind.
Okay, where is it? Hello. Oh, wait. That's a pillow pod, not a gillipod. The gillipods are the bigger ones. Like, they look different. Oh, hello, Fulgur. Coming through. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's dead. Nice. Oh, a gem. Nice. Okay, and with that, I need to go. Because it is 8 p.m. and I need to make dinner. Let's see who to rate. Who to rate? Wilds. Let's go to someone that's also playing Wilds. Let's see, open category, Monster Hunter Wilds. Okay, let's see, World. Okay, let's just do Wilds. I found someone. PC, please don't explode. Okay, there we go. Oh, they're hunting a laggy. Quit game. Save and quit. Okay. Thank you all for dropping by today. Thank you, Sassy, for the raid. Thank you, Willie, for the raid. Thank you all for the follows. We're gonna raid Stale? I think that's how you pronounce their name. Okay. I'll see y'all guys soon. But thank you all for coming today. It meant a lot. Even though it's a shorter stream than usual. Hopefully I can do another stream soon. Maybe Friday. Okay. Bye-bye.